No matter where you come from, this platform will allow you to make money online. All you need to do is click on some ads and watch videos online. Yes, you don't need to sell or market anything. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can get paid for absolutely free just by clicking on different ads. You can do this on your laptop or smartphone device. You just need an internet connection and you're all set. Make sure to watch this video till the end to learn everything about this unique strategy. This is probably one of the best strategies to get paid to view ads and watch videos online. With that being said, let's now jump straight into it. So, guys, I want you to go to Heedu.com, which is a paid-to-click website that promises people a way to earn money from home just by completing small tasks or doing basic internet activities. Well, I just want to highlight the fact that this strategy will not get you rich, but it's a good start. You can use it to collect some money to invest it in one of the other strategies we share on this channel. We all spend a lot of time on our phones every day, so if you spend 10 to 15 minutes working on this strategy, you can begin making some money online. You can use this platform as an advertiser as well, if you want to promote your business. But that's not why we are here today. Let's click on Earn instead. We will be taken to this page. You will see that not only this website has paid out over $100,000 to all of its members, but they have also been around since 2012. This platform has been around for quite some time, which shows that it's legit. Scam websites disappear relatively quickly, but legit platforms stay around as they are profitable and able to provide value to the users. If you're ever wondering how they're going to pay you, well, you just need to scroll down a bit to check out the payment methods supported by this platform. This includes PayPal, Skrill, and Payer. The minimal threshold to withdraw your earnings is $1, which is an amazing feature. Most websites in this industry require the users to earn at least $10 to withdraw their earnings. To begin making money on this platform, you need to create an account first. Just scroll up and click on Join Now. You will be taken to this page. You just need to provide some personal information about yourself, create a unique username, and enter your valid email address. You can see here that the platform supports all countries around the world, which is awesome. Yes, it will work no matter where you live. After you complete this form, hit on Continue. Once done, you will just need to go over to your email inbox, click on the verification link in the email you will receive from Heedu. It might take a minute or two to get to your inbox. Now you can log into your dashboard, and this is how it looks from the inside. Your earnings will be displayed here. This is a brand new account, which is why it shows 0. But this will change as soon as you start clicking on ads to make money online. Now, I want you to click on View Ads, which will take you to another page where you will see a bunch of ads that you need to click to get paid. And this is how you get paid to view ads and watch videos online. Let me know if you have any questions about this strategy. And as always, show your appreciation by giving this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to keep up to date with all my upcoming uploads, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video on how to make money online.